Hello and welcome back to Saniya's Art Studio. As you can see, today I am not in my studio and I am standing in this park called Las Palmas, where my very first public art installation project is there. And it's been here for almost a year now. And today I am going to answer my most asked questions about this public art installation. I hope this video helps emerging artists to figure out how they can work on any public art project and where they can get started from. So I'll be answering my most asked question in the video. Look at that, how beautiful it looks. And it has been there in this park for almost a year, and I'm so glad the colors haven't been faded out at all. So this is the front side. We also had to do some designs on the back side, and I chose to do the exact same one on the back side. I'll be answering all the questions regarding the design, the project, how did I get the project, and how much I got paid for this project. So this design right there is like the orange trees which you can see in and around Sunnyvale. And the backdrop design, which is the lotuses or water lily. So this has been inspired by Indian art called Pichwai. So it's not exactly Pichwai, but it's like inspired by Pichwai, and I have tried to add my own elements into it and make it like a little more textured. So these are the lemon trees which we can see again in and around the Bay Area, and all the rest of the flowers, beautiful flowers that we can see. And I have completed this painting with beautiful clouds on the top to give it a complete and a full look. My most asked question, that is, did I get paid to work on this public art project? And the answer definitely is yes. We did get paid to work on this public art project. So the entire sculpture was provided to us by the city of Sunnyvale, and we had to pick up the sculpture from the specified location and take it to our house. So we got paid around $1,000 to work on this project, and the primer and the varnish, which is a very important thing required for if you're working on any public art project, was provided by the city of Sunnyvale. Now, coming up to the next question, that is, how did I apply for this project? So, there was an application process where we had to provide resume and all the past public art project I have ever worked on. So I provided with all the details, and I also had to provide a demo of like, or I would rather say an example of what I wanted to draw on this public art project and what was my idea behind that. And there was going to be a selection process for this. And I guess there were like 26 artists that were chosen to work on this project. Yeah, that's how the application process was, and the entire process took around like 6+ months, right from the application to the selection process, and get us getting back to them with our ideas, and when we'll be picking up the sons and completing the sons installation and then submitting it back to them. I think so it was more than 6+ months. So yeah, public art installation take a lot of time. Yes. Can we work with acrylic colors on public art project? The answer definitely is yes, but definitely you have to take certain measures to use acrylic. For example, the project which I worked on was on a fiberglass, so it's like not on a canvas surface. So we've had to make sure that the surface is prepared before we start painting on it. So yes, we had used primer to make sure the surface is ready for acrylic, and after it was done completing, we used a high quality varnish. And with this vlog comes to an end. And as you can see, there's a beautiful sunset behind me. So I came in this park at, I guess, almost 4. And now it's 6. It took me 2 hours to record a 10 minutes vlog, and it's going to take me another 2 hours to edit it. And that's the thing, guys. Vlogging is a thing, and this is not my thing, but I'm going to try my hands on this thing. You never know what's going to work for you. Thank you so much for watching my vlog. I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day and have a good day and stay safe, be happy, and keep smiling.